Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Altima car battery, updated. First, gather gloves, safety glasses, and a wrench set so you are ready and safe. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off all electronics to prevent sparks. Identify the battery, note which terminal is negative, and remove any plastic covers or clamps that hold the battery in place. Start by loosening the negative terminal clamp carefully to avoid sparks and shorts, then remove it and tuck the cable aside. Next, loosen the positive terminal and detach it, keeping terminals separated as you work. If your Altima has a battery hold-down or bracket, remove its bolts and set the hardware aside so you can lift the battery straight out without tilting too much. Position the new battery into the tray so the terminals match the original orientation and the battery sits flush. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and tighten the bolts so the battery cannot shift while driving. Attach the positive terminal first and secure it, then attach the negative terminal and tighten. Finally, check for any corrosion, start the car to confirm proper installation, and reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.